Hello everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to use the good old Excel to get an overview of your budget. To determine your budget, you must know what your net pay is, and that's your pay after all the deductions have been taken out, also known as take-home pay. In this video, I have included a link to the spreadsheet with built-in formulas. Feel free to pause this video and click on the link below. For the next step, gather your pay stub, utility bills, and receipts if you don't have them on your phone or in your computer app. Most folks have their pay and all their expenses on their bank account, website, and credit card app, so refer to the numbers from your apps as we go over this. When you open the sheet, it should open to the Budget Balance tab. If you don't see this screen, you might be on another tab. Just click where it says Budget Balance, and it should take you right there. As you can see, there are already numbers on the sheet. They are placeholders to give the user an idea of what goes on there and what the formatting is. Simply click on that cell, and you can type over it. You can also zero out the amounts before getting started. Please remember to only input on pink cells. The other cells should stay as is or have formulas in them, and you don't want to inadvertently delete those. If you ever inadvertently delete or type in where you're not supposed to, the best way is to click on the arrow back button to undo that action. Try not to hit delete at any time. You may type over or backspace. So, first, you need to determine your net income. Some get paid monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly, or have irregular pay. If you have irregular pay, for example, from DoorDash, enter the number you were paid for the whole month. Currently, we're just trying to get an idea of the overall picture of your budget. How much you make and how much of it goes into what. Now, during this exercise, list all your mandatory expenses first, such as rent or mortgage, utility bills, food or groceries, insurance, transportation, and other necessary expenses. As you go through the list, you will notice that the numbers on the side are changing. This is your running total. It automatically tallies your total income, total expenses, and your balance as the difference between your total income and all expenses. At this time, you should have a good idea of where your budget stands. Save this Excel so you can access and make additions and other changes anytime. In my next video, we will go over the other tabs, but feel free to check them out before that if you are ready.